If you're looking for a whitening set that actually works, this Moon White set can do that for you, but only if you use it correctly. Your skin is not the problem, You're just using products your skin is not ready for or that your skin doesn't like. Because tell me why you carry strong whitening set and you'll be using it like you are using body cream from supermarket. Then you will now say the product is bad when it damages your skin. The problem is you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I talk skincare, but not all this confusing grammar or hype. I break it down so that you actually understand what you are using, because a lot of people want to lighten their skin or whiten their skin, but they don't want to damage their skin at the same time, and they don't know how to follow simple instruction. If you can't follow the instruction, you will have a perfect skin. So today we are talking about the Moon White Whitening Set. Now let me not lie to you. This one is not a joke, or this one is a super hydrating whitening set. This is strong. So if you're looking for just glow, this is not for you. This is for people who actually want to see change their skin color. And yes, based on my customers' review, this set really whitens the skin. It will give you a few shades lighter. If you now misuse it, it will humble your skin. So let's go step by step so you don't go and damage your skin and blame chemical. Now, the step one, the shower gel. This is the Moon White Exfoliating Whitening Body Wash. This one is not your ordinary shower gel. Some of you, the way you bath, you just pour soap, rinse and go. Then you are expecting magic. It does not work that way. This one contains ingredients like peppermint extract, rosemary extract, vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So it is already cleaning your skin, gently exfoliating, preparing your skin. Even from bathing stage, it is already working. If you use it well, you let it sit on your skin. Don't rush it. Leave it for a few minutes on your skin before you go to the next stage. Now, the second step, which is the scrub. The Moon White Whitening Body Scrub. This one, if you skip it, you're on your own. Let me tell you the honest truth. You see those stubborn areas on your skin, your knuckles, your knee, your armpit, your underarm. If you don't exfoliate, forget it, it will never clear. This scrub contains walnut shell powder, apricot oil, allantoin. So it will remove dead skin cells. It will smoothen out rough areas, and it will help your lotion to be able to enter, penetrate. And some of you will now use scrub every day. Why? Do you want to peel off your own skin? 2 to 3 times a week is more than enough. Sensitive skin once a week. Now let's go to step 3. We have the serum, the Moon White Whitening Serum. Don't joke with this one. This one contains L-glutathione, grapeseed extract, SPF 60. So it's doing lightening, repairing, and protecting at the same time. This one is what helps to clear your dark spots, your uneven skin tone, your dull skin. But please, this is not body cream. Use a very small amount. Some of you will pour the entire oil into your lotion. Don't do that. Just put it in your palm, mix it with your lotion. That is enough. If you are learning something, just like this video. If it's helping, like it. Because I know some of you have already been using this very strong set and you are getting results. So if this set is coming up, if what I'm saying is making sense, like the video and don't forget to subscribe, follow us on our social medias, and don't forget to leave a comment. Now we go to step 4, the Moon White Skin Whitening Lotion. This is where the real results are coming from. It contains L-glutathione, it contains vitamin A and C, it contains hyaluronic acid, which is an ingredient that helps to moisturize your skin. So this lotion is not just whitening, it is moisturizing, it will smoothen, it will even out your skin tone. And this is where a lot of people mess up when using this strong whitening lotion. You cannot be using this morning, afternoon, and night and go under the sun without protecting your skin. Your skin is going to burn. Use this at night, simple. In the morning, find a nice moisturizer and use a sunscreen. People that get good result, that is how they do it. Now the step 5, which is the face cream, the Moon White Whitening Face Cream. This one contains glutathione, grapeseed extract, SPF 60, and it works well on pimples, wrinkled skin, black spots, hyperpigmentation. But listen carefully, your face is not your body. Don't use this like you are rubbing body cream. A small amount goes a long way, and you can use it day and night, but don't overuse it. Don't let your skin react and then you start blaming the product. Now let's pause a little. If you love fashion, check out Luxe By FB. I will be adding a video so you can see our pieces. We sell both wholesale and retail, and our collections are so comfortable, trendy, and easy to wear, made with 100% Ankara, Ashoke, and Adire. Back to the review. Now, let me say something important. Some people will buy full sets like this, and then they will start mixing it with other brands of oil, using other soaps and serum from somewhere else. Then when their skin spoils or get damaged, they will say the product is bad, the vendor that recommends it is bad. You are the one doing experiments with your skin, so it is on you. I will make it simple for you. In the morning, use the shower gel. Then find a nice moisturizer or a sunscreen. At night, use the shower gel. Use the scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Then use the serum, lotion, and face cream at night. If you use it this way, you will get better results and you will not be able to blame. If you follow this, you will see good results. If you don't blame anybody for your own action. This set is for people that want visible whitening, people with stubborn skin, people that nothing works on them, people that are ready to follow very strict routine. If you know you don't have patience, this is not for you. If you have sensitive skin, don't try it. If you want the original Moon White set, then you can shop on our website, or you can just message us on WhatsApp. We'll be here to put you through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also leave a comment if you have also used this before. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know your experience. Share it with other people so that they can learn from it. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.